I think that it's important for people to think about recording just day-to-day history. The common things, what we do every day, has a tendency not to be appreciated and not to be recorded because it happens all the time.
My name is Beverley Evans.
And my name is Jeffery S. Evans. I am president and senior auctioneer at Jeffery S. Evans and Associates Auction House in Mount Crawford. And Beverley is the executive vice president, and she signs my paycheck.
That's funny.
Our passion is local history because we both were born and raised here. We have close connections, with grandparents and even great-grandparents. And we're so interested in how they lived their lives, the items they owned, how they used them, where they came from, and preserving all of that history. The house and the collection are all interconnected through regionalism. We wanted to fill it with things that were appropriate for here, so we decided to just start collecting furniture and other decorative arts. We decided to only buy things that were made here locally between Shenandoah, Rockingham, and Augusta County. The house is a 1810 German center chimney stone house.
It had sheep in it and cows and other varmints. It was overgrown with trees and brush.
Couldn't hardly see it from the road.
Mm-mm.
It has all of the original woodwork and flooring and doors and things, and most of them either haven't been painted or only have second course of paint. So it's really, really a pure house. And it never had electricity, didn't have running water, had a little bathroom on the side porch. So we really, when we found this, we really found a virgin project, something that hadn't been remodeled. So we were very careful about how we did it. We basically live in the new addition in the back and just have the front kind of as a monument.
He had an understanding what we wanted to do, that you had to save everything, you couldn't throw anything away, we didn't tear anything off. You had to restore, if you didn't have it, you had to have it made. If there's a way to save it, we saved it. And then we got our books out to do research, because I'd never restored a house before.
Our main concern with the house is that it be left the way that it is and not updated further, floors not varnished and the original paint not painted over, that type of thing. That's our big concern. So I don't know, obviously we'll leave it to our son if he has the desire to take it on, which he might, who knows, he's very sentimental. And if not, we'll probably try to place it in some kind of a trust where it can be preserved, forever. I don't think there was anything that you did that you would look back and say you would have changed.
No,
No?
I don't think so.